afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to JMC Creates. My name is Jackie McKissick, and today we are going to make a version of this card. So for this card I used this die set that I got from AliExpress years ago. This stencil set that I think I got off Temu. It's got 3 sets of star stencils. I used this die that I got online, and I used this With Love die, which I just realised I have forgotten to cut. So let's take it out. This is an old tonic die. So it is. Oops. Something fell on the floor. Right, so I've cut out my scalloped heart in white shimmer paper, and I've cut out my plain heart in white paper. And I actually want to do my heart first before I do my bird. So let's start with that. I have to get my cloud stencil. Okay, so we are back, and I have decided to be brave and do a green one with a green bird. So let's rock and roll. And I got a new, I used a cloud border die to cut my stencil. So I did, and I cut a new one because the last one I did in pink, and I obviously cut it with a different section of the thingamajig, but I didn't want to contaminate one with the other, so I cut a new one. And I'm just going to wiggle on down, and I thought I would use clouds because of the bird. So softly, I'm not doing a heavy layer, I'm doing a really light layer. Okay, and then I'm just going to go around the edges. Like that. And that is my cloud heart ready. Right, what's next? Next is my bird. Okay. So I'm going to do, oh no, that's the dark green. I want the light green. I want the light green first. And I'm just going to go all over with the light green until I get it covered completely. Like that. Okay, and then do the other little bits. It's quite easy just to slap it on. And this is my waffle flower grip mat inside my stamp positioner. Right, now I've got a dark green and I'm just going to deepen and darken underneath. Okay. Like that. Now on the other one I did a little bit of brown, but I'm not sure I actually need it for this one, because the dark green has darkened so well, so we'll just forget about the brown. Okay, let's clean that. Now, how now, brown cow? Do I want to do this in here? I did it out with the other one, but I'm going to do this. So, light green. And this is my card base that I'm working on. So you need to be careful. I need the ones around the outside, but not so much in the middle, because my heart will cover that. Right, that's one. Now number 2. And I'm going to do it in the dark green. Like that. Okay, and then for the third one I'm going to do it in the brown. Like that. Now, I actually did my inside as well. So I'm going to run a piece of tape down there, and I'm going to start again with number 1, and I want to do this really lightly. So I don't want a heavy layer, for this is the inside. And you're going to write on top of it. 1. I did that the wrong way round. I did 3 before 2, so I'll just have to. And no, I want to use told me. Imagine that. Oh well. As long as we've got stars, we'll not worry too much. And then the brown one. And as you can see, I'm not putting any new ink on, I'm just using whatever is on the brush and on the stencil. And then that's our inside done, and my sentiment is sitting in here ready to go. So I'm going to do it, and it comes from this Lee Holland Crafter's Companion From Me to You stamp set, and it says with love from me to you, and we're using some VersaFine ink, and we're just making sure that's down. Just hold it. Let's give it another one and just hold it. Okay, we're looking good. So that needs to dry. So I'm going to leave that sitting there. Where's my cloth? And clean that off, and I will put together my bird. Right, I'm going to glue this heart on top of this heart. Okay, and try and get it as central as you can, like that. Then you're going to put foam tape on the back. Why are my lights hanging down in there? I haven't even got my lights on. My wee fairy lights. Where's okay, we're just putting some double-sided tape on our heart, and that's that ready to go. So let's put our bird together now. Right, I want to put on my beak, and all I did was cut the bird, a bit of the bird out again, and cover it in orange ink, or you could cut it out with a bit of orange card, whatever floats your boat. Right, then you want to put this boy on. Okay, and it's going to go on there like that. And what I did was took this little gold pen and drew in the eye like that. Okay, now where are all the bits for my feet? I had a wee set of feet cut out there, and I can't see them now. So we just layer our bird wing up like that, and then just curl the end a little bit. It will flatten in the card, but it looks good to me now, so that's what's important. Right, now I definitely can't see the little feet. So, right, so we're back, and I have taken the foam tape off my heart, and I am just placing it on my card like that. and the bird is going to go there, and the sentiment is going to go there. So let us stick up the bird. Stick it up, you're under a vest. You are under a vest. Right, now scissors. I want to put a piece on his tail, but I need to double it. So I do. Okay. Like that. And we're on the home stretch now. Now you could use any hearts that you have, any stencil. It could be a one-layered stencil, and you could do it in the three colours in different places. And you can use any sentiment. These, what I've used in that, are things that I've had a long time, but I am attempting to use my stash. So the last thing I'm going to do is the light green in on top of here. Okay. Like that, and then the dark green just at the edges. Like that. Give your table a wipe before you put your card base down. Oh no! I'm going to have to cut that off and put it on another card base. You see, this is it. I keep forgetting to clean my table in between things, because I'm a hashy beast. When I'm crafting, I make a mess. I make a lot of mess. And TJ is not here at the minute, so I can stretch my mess to wherever I want. I don't have to contain it to this tiny little corner here. There we go. That is my card. In green. Where's the pink one? There we go. Those are our cards for today. It's it could be a Valentine's card. It could be just a card that says I love you. Inside we've got the same stars and the from me to you, as I am trying to finish off the insides of my card this year. So I'm doing well so far. So sometimes I forget and I have to go and I think to myself, did I do that? And I have to go back and do something. But so far so good. So remember, take the idea, use your stash and create. Now this is a cardinal, which is Christmas red. You can see it there. Cardinal Left Facing by Diana Pennell. But we've got a pink one and a green one. So it's whatever floats your boat. Okay? So thank you for stopping by. It is much appreciated. I hope you liked it. I hope you'll thumbs up, comment, subscribe, come back for more. I hope you're all safe and well, and until the next time, Jackie out.